Hi everyone, we will be starting by first applying the concealer. So I have already applied this concealer. This is Maybelline's Medium 25, and then followed up by applying some loose powder on the lower side of the eye. Now this is so that any fallout from the eyeshadow will not deposit over your cheeks and does not leave any pigment. So now we can start with the eyeshadow. First, using this shade and blending it off very nicely into my eyelid. Now make it sure that you do not go very above, like you have to just follow the normal eyelids that fold up. सिर्फ उतनी सी आपको करनी है और उसको ब्लेंड करना है. जब आप ब्लेंडिंग भी करते हैं सो मेक इट श्योर टू गो इन अ सर्कुलर मोशन ऑफ द ब्रश एंड देन यूजिंग अनदर डीपर कलर एंड फिलिंग अप द इनर पार्ट ऑफ माई आई. Now by using this brush, I will be nicely smudging the same eyeshadow in my lower line, that is my waterline, and I will be smudging it up so that it gives a very nice diffused eyeshadow look, and then I will be doing the major detailings after this. After connecting both the eyeshadows, I will be smudging it up with the help of the bud, or you can also take any thin brush, but I don't have any thin brush for eyeshadow for this one, so I will be using any of the earbud or cotton, and I will be smudging it up. Now applying the glitter over the lids and only cover the area which has pigment. Now you should not go over like this part, because otherwise it will look very dominant. The eye look will look very dominant and it will not suit you unless and until you have very less gap between your eyebrow and the eye. Now after that, take a very clean brush and then just blend it up, and then use any of the kajal that you have. I'm using here the L18 bold black kajal, and now I will be quickly filling my lower line. Now this is to give a very like complimentary of blue shade, because when the lines are kept white, they are not filled with any of the dark colors, it does not look good. So here I will be smudging it up using any of the brush which is clean, and then you will be pushing it downwards to give the smudgy effect. I am using the Hyper Curl mascara here to just lift up my eyes. Now this mascara actually it is not good for volume, it's just good for giving your lashes a nice length. So here it is doing its job perfectly. So guys, here we are done with the look, and this is the final look. It's just a 3-step process, and that's it. Now you have to majorly think about the blending. You have to keep in mind that you blend nicely. Now guys, that's all, and I hope you all love this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Bye.